In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partials on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, I'm actually going to show you the easiest way I think you can do it. However, you can also use ATM strategies, which is a bit more advanced, okay? So the basic easy way would be, I'm going to go to Control Center and then to Positions over here, and I'm actually going to do a position. So I'm going to go to over here on this instrument I have selected, and the order quantity is going to be 10, and I'm just going to click on Buy Market and confirm
Order
it.
filled.
There we go. As you can see, I now have 10 in quantity. Now, if I wanted to take partials or partial profit, which is essentially the same thing, what you have to do is simply select how much you want to take partials in. So let's say I have 10 in quantity, but I want to take partial profit and I want to go ahead and sell 5 of these. So I'm going to go here to my chart trader, of course. You can enable this, by the way, by clicking up top and clicking chart trader. Then I'm going to go 5 because I want to go ahead and basically take partials in 5, so I'm going to type in 5, and then instead of buying, I'm just going to go to the opposite and click on sell, okay? I'm going to hit yes,
Order filled.
and there we go. As you can hear, order filled, and it's now working. So if I now want to go ahead and take, for example, in 3 more, I can sell, confirm, and there we go. I only have 2 remaining, okay? I'm actually now going to go, and I'm going to close this. There we go. And if you're doing selling, so I'm going to go and do, for example, 6. I'm going to sell market. Yes, we have sell. In this case, to take partials, of course, I'd have to buy. So I'm going to go 4, take partials. I'm going to click on buy, which is the opposite. Hit yes. And there we go. You can see over here, the quantity is now 2 because 6 minus 4 equals 2. So that's the easiest way to take partials on NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.